Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you a dish. It calls leek. You know that long looks like an onion that they call leek. What we need is half a cup of oil, any kind of oil you want. And then you need leek. You make sure that you wash them very, very good because always there is sand in it. You have to slice it, which I was showing you. This vegetable, it has a lot of dirt in it. When I say dirt, like sand, you have to really slice it. So how you do it? First, let me tell you that always you can cut the ends of your leeks, just like this much, this is a good part, but it gives roots. When you plant them, it'll grow back again to you in your garden all the time. This is what I do. So when you have it, this is the way you slice it. You just go through the knife, through the middle, and bring it down, and then go again the other side and bring it again, and you do it one more time, as much as you can make it thin. So when you cook it, it cooks it very, very easy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash them, and then we're going to slice it so thin, like a julienne. And I'm going to keep it in the water so all the sand, the dirt will go down. We're going to make julienne. Soak it in the water at least 15-20 minutes, so if there is any sand or anything, it will clean up. There you go. We're going to saute a little bit. This leek, it's about 2 stalks, 1 cup rice, a kind of bunch of parsley, about 3 tomatoes, and 3 carrots. This is 1 lemon, salt and pepper, tomato paste you need. At least keep it for 2 to 3 minutes, easy, just like you do onion. Alright, now we're going to put the rice, and we're going to brown the rice. Saute what I meant. Sometimes the rice, it absorbs a little bit the oil. You can always add. You might not need it, but if you need it, if you see it's touching the bottom, it's dry, you can add a little bit more. Alright, 2-3 minutes the rice. Now when you start to feel like the rice is started to touch the bottom, that you can feel like it's like gonna burn, which is not, that's the time you can start to add your vegetables. Now we're gonna put the carrot. Alright, now we're going to put the tomato. Just by looking at it, it kind of opens your appetite. There we go. Now we're going to put the parsley. Alright, I'm just going to add a little bit more oil. I can feel it needs some. Now, we're going to put some black pepper. We're going to put 1 tablespoon tomato paste. This is my pepper paste that I prepared. This is a sweet bell pepper. It is. There is only 1 hot chili red pepper in it, and this is sun-dried pepper. It is, which I put it under the sun, and that's how it cooked. Now I'm not going to put the salt because there is salt, but in case if we need it later on, we can always add. Now this is 1 cup, 1 lemon. So we're going to put cup of water, because we have a rice inside too, so it's gonna cook. Okay, now the food is ready. We let it cool down for at least few hours, because this food, it has to be eaten very cold. This is a sticky rice dish, it is, with vegetarian, which this is the way we eat. It's very healthy, it's very good. Now I want to say before that I add it later on 2 cups more hot water, little at a time, because we didn't want to make it too liquidy, but at the same time, because it has a lot of starch. So, and once a couple times you have to come, once in a while you have to come to mix it, because the starch, it makes it kind of a lumpy, which that's the way it's supposed to be, this dish. So, and it's very tasty, you will love it. Now, how do we serve this? We take the good olive oil, and we put little bit generously, like about half a teaspoon, and you rub it on your dish. You fill the dish just like this. All right, you press it good, As long as you have good olive oil, the best one, you put it like this and you let it sit just the way it is. This is how we present, and then we put some green. Of course, it's always on the table. We will put green mince and radishes, and we put or pita bread or lavash bread next to it, and this is the way you present your guest. So this is the dish. I hope you'll try this and you will love it. It's really one of the good, healthiest. Everybody knows it's a leek. It's an onion family leek. It is very tasty. Once you cook it, you're gonna cook again. So I hope you enjoy and you'll try this. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Bon appetit. Enjoy the food. Thank you very much again. Bye bye.